Hey guys, do you remember this mixer right here? This is one that we took apart. One of the first videos that we did. We disassembled this one, and we were going to get it powder coated and put back together, but things took off. This is the Model 7-1. It's all steel, all except for this part right here, but everything else on here is all steel. Model 7, and it was a wartime thing. Aluminum, being used for the war and all that, so it just had to be done in steel. And it's still, like I said, pretty impressive that they retooled everything to make these out of steel. But there's not too many of them around, so it is, kind of a rare thing. But I think it's cool. But anyways, let me show you the steps we went through putting this thing back together and getting it going, and enjoy.
As I walk along, I wonder what went wrong with our love that was so strong. And as I still walk on, I think of things we've done together while our hearts were young.
Hey guys, I don't know if you guys recognize this one or not, but this is the Model 7-1 that I had taken apart a long time ago. One of the first videos that I did back when I had a little bit more time, and then of course, you know, everything took off and I got really busy. I never had a chance to put it back together. It just sat over there. You know, after it was powder coated, it just sat over there in parts and it was just waiting to be put back together. But I finally got around to getting it done, mainly because I need a mixer with a little more power than the Model K that I have. And you know, the Westinghouse I got, I just don't really like the way that thing operates. You know, it's a little awkward, and it doesn't do as good of a job as mixing. You know, so I definitely want to get another Sunbeam going. And I was considering doing like a 10 or 12. You know, some of the parts ones that I got around here, getting one of those going. But this one was complete, and all it needed to do was basically be reassembled. So going through, I got it back together, and you know, we got new brushes in it. It needed a new capacitor because the capacitor that was in here was good, but I scarfed it for something else. The resistor's rebuilt, so it's a new resistor. You know, new cord. Basically, it's a brand new mixer. You know, and it was originally the Sunbeam cream color, and at the time that I did this, I hadn't found a match for it yet. So this is the color that I used on it, which I still think is nice, and it looks good with the jadeite as well. And I doubt I'll ever take it apart and redo it again. I mean, I'm just going to use this mixer as is, you know, and I think it looks fine like that. But let's go ahead and give it a listen to here. And you can tell it took a little while to, you know, ramp up the speed once I got on there in 10, and that's because I've only had it, you know, running for a few seconds so far. So I mean, everything still needs to seat. The new brushes need to seat. You know, everything needs to get seated into place here, and you know, and then every time you turn on and go up to full speed, it should go right up to full speed. But it didn't take that long for it to get there running it that way. You know, and it's got a wide range of speeds and all that. So, you know, I think I'll be happy with this. And plus the style here, also the PTO I have, you know, that I've already used is it's actually a matching color to this, and it'll fit in this base. So when I use my meat grinder or anything, you know, this one right here is already set for. I don't have to get another PTO because I don't have one for like the Model 10, 11, and 12. So I would have to buy a whole other PTO and get that done. So so I think I'll be happy with this one here. But anyways, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you can be notified. You know, you won't see too much of my stuff coming up because I still got a ton of work to get out of here. But you know, I do need a mixer, so I did have to get this done. And I figured I'd, you know, get the second part of this video up. And I'll put the link for part 1 down below so you can see the disassembly of it and everything. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.